Hello and welcome to my channel Brown India. Today I am going from Bangalore to Pondicherry via Kolar. Usually I create videos in Bengali but this video creating in English so people in Bangalore can get it useful. Stay tuned with me and watch the video. We are traveling from Bangalore to Pondicherry with our private car. This is our 4 day trip and we have started at morning 6:45 a.m. and since then we are traveling almost 2 hours and now we are near to Kolar and we have stopped here for our breakfast. Uh, there is no good restaurant nearby, so we need to stop here by roadside food and basically we had this and this is not bad uh, from food quality wise. Also cost wise it's okay. It took 40 rupee per dosa and it's fresh made hot dosa and idlis, so it's good to have. And this nearby roads are very beautiful, small hills. This is the toll road, mostly 2 and 3 lane roads and built around 100 kilometer. For that we have paid about 130 rupee, so that means per kilometer almost 130 rupee. We have crossed Kolar gold mine or KGM. It's after Kolar, about 30 kilometers, but it's not on the road. It's inside from main road, so we are not traveling there. We are going straight towards Pondicherry. We are now near to Vellore and you can see this road are very green. Nearby small hills, roads are narrow but very pleasant. Just now entering into the Tamil Nadu. The road is wide, it's 3 lane road almost, and it's very nice valley in front, small hills, nice views, green, and it's the forest area. And earlier we have seen the forest checkpost. So still we are going towards Vellore. We have not crossed yet. We are now inside Vellore city. Today is Bharmalakshmi Puja and everywhere decorated with lights. Still inside the city, and after this bridge seems we will reach to the highway, because till now it was quite narrow road, so was getting difficulty to drive. This is excellent road, 3 lane, and we are driving quite fast. It's now almost 80 km per hour. We have stopped nearby tea stall. It's in Tamil Nadu, and you can see he is making the tea. He charges only 10 rupee per cup. It's quite good tea. And this road, one road is going towards Chennai and another is Pondicherry. We will take the right lane from here. Just waiting to finish my tea, and after that we'll start again towards Pondicherry. Look here, this is a river, not any open ground. Probably this river name is Palar, but we can't see any water in the river. We are going towards Pondicherry from this village road, I can say. It's not very big, but it's okay. We are surprised by seeing this river actually. Taking more video of the river just to show the river condition. It's not at all a good news for Tamil Nadu and for India. This is rainy season, but there is no water in the river. It's green although, but unfortunately no water there. This is in Tamil Nadu and this road condition is really good. We are driving almost near to 80 km per hour. That is the top speed of this road. It's quite free road. Only few bikes and only few cars are there. Green everywhere. So we have crossed more than 200 km now from Bangalore, and it's almost now 12:30. So we are driving almost 5 hours. This is another river. I don't know its name, but you can see the condition. There is not a single drop of water in the river. Look at opposite side. This side, this is again the same condition, and I can see far there few hills. It's nice to look, but unfortunately there is no water, so this is some scary situation. Till now it's too good to drive. We have crossed near to 250 kilometers, and it's almost 6 hours now. Look at this family. They are carrying drinking water on the bikes. Here is water problem, water crisis, so they need to carry water from far, and they need to spend whole day based on this water only. After a long journey, we have stopped a nearby dhaba, a Punjabi dhaba, for our lunch. It's almost we reached to Pondicherry. It's about 50 kilometers left, but it's almost 3 p.m. so we need to have our lunch. So let's see whether this is South Indian or really Punjabi dhaba. After lunch, going towards Pondicherry, and we saw this hill. Really is I can see it's Table Hill or similar, and on top of the hill there is I think it's a temple. Not sure which temple it is, but I am only thinking how they reach there. Definitely from right side of this hill, because left side it's straight and it's not possible to go there. But really it's nice looking hill. Quite far, so I need to zoom in. Finally we reached to Pondicherry. This is the Pondicherry entrance gate. Pondicherry is comparatively greener at entrance compared with Tamil Nadu. Outside is quite hot, and we are coming from Bangalore, so if I compare with Bangalore, it's really very hot. At center of Pondicherry, it's little congested. Lots of bikes, and almost no one is wearing helmet. They are coming from side roads, and I am getting difficulty to drive. Finally, we reached to our destination, Aurobindo Ashram International Guest House. Please subscribe my channel so you can see next video on Pondicherry, and please share my video with your friends. Thank you for watching my video. Have a great day.